Hiya everyone, so today we have got the W7 Beauty Blast Advent Calendar. This is a 24-day Advent Calendar. I love the design of this year's Advent Calendar. I bought this on Amazon for £19.95, so basically £20. This is a 24-day Advent Calendar and honestly, I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited. You guys know I love a budget-friendly Advent Calendar. I know I've dipped my toe into more high-end the last couple of years, but I am still 100% love a budget Advent Calendar. And W7 I really love as a brand, as well as Technic and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've unboxed the last few Advent Calendars the last couple of years, so they are in my Advent Calendar playlist if you would like to go and watch them, because you can still purchase them on certain sites. But this Advent Calendar works out about 80 something pence a day. I don't know whether they're going to make produce more, because last year they done three Advent Calendars, so we'll see. But I'll have this link down below for you, and anyways I purchased it from Amazon, so that's most likely where I link it, unless I can find it somewhere else for cheaper for you guys. But we're just going to get into unboxing this Advent Calendar. How stunning is the packaging though? So this Advent Calendar is like a box design. I did try and stand it straight, but it kind of fell all over the place, so we're just going to have it a little bit like this. My bit has come away like that, but I really like that it's a box design. Yeah, I really like that. I could probably, if this happens to you, you could probably sellotape it to hold it better, just in case you were like keeping it till Christmas. But I'm not going to keep it till Christmas, so I'm not going to try and sellotape it. But that is like, I'm so excited that they've done a box design. Like really excited about that actually. So we're just going to start anyway. So this is works out about 80 odd pence a day, so budget friendly. So we went day number 1, and can I just say I love the design of this. I really fancy doing some nails like this. But anyways, day number 1. So day number 1 is a scrunchie. Now I like a scrunchie. This is quite a chunky scrunchie. I would have preferred more than one scrunchie personally, but at 80 odd pence I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, I like this. You guys know I like the, as people would say, the filler gifts. I do like the filler gifts. So that was day number 1. So we want day number 2, which is this big long one here. I'm guessing maybe an eyeliner or a lip liner or something like that. Let's have a look. It is an Eye Captain liquid eyeliner in the shade black, and let's have a look what the applicator looks like. So it's that sort of style applicator. We've never had one of these as far as I know in any of the ones that I've unboxed, so that's quite exciting. I don't wear eyeliner, so I'm not going to swatch it because that's personally not something I would wear. So we want a day number 3, and that is here. So this is day number 3 here. So in day number 3 we've got something I haven't seen before. It is it's a shimmer brick. I'm liking that they're switching it up. I really am. I'm liking that they're switching this up. This looks so pretty. I think it's like a mini version of their shimmer brick. But how fab's that? You could use these as eyeshadows. You could use them as highlighters. I love that. Love that. I love that they're switching it up. Fab. So we want day number 4, which is this one here. Whoop, we're losing day number 2. So day number 4, let's have a look. What are you? It is a W7 lip twister, and I think I already own this shade. This is in the shade Malbec. It is a pencil lip liner, and it's like, I would say it's coming off, it's like a red lip liner, I would say. I think I might own this. It's more berry, I would say, than red. But that is it there. Very nice though. Very nice. So that was day number 4. We went day number 5, which is this one here. Feels very light again. Everything seems to be wrapped in tissue. We have got a blush, and this is in the shade Rebels. This is what the packaging looks like. And it is like a deep peach of a shimmer, I would say. Really pretty. I need to compare and see if I already own this, but that is really fab size, something we haven't gotten before as well, as far as I know. So we want day number 6, which is this one here, and it feels like again. Love the packaging. I love W7 stuff. We have got a W7 mascara in Eyelust. It says the ultimate mascara for sexy eyes. This looks good. You guys know I'm weak for a mascara, so it's a natural brush, quite a thick brush. Very excited about that. I love a mascara. Love a mascara. Really excited about that. So we want day number 7, which is this one here. I'm guessing maybe a lipstick by the shape, or a nail polish or something like that. Let's have a look. It is a lipstick. It is in the shade Lip Service, I think, and it's like a brown. That is it there. Oh, very pretty, really nice for the fall. So we went to day number 8, which is this one here. Oh, love it. Right, I think another lipstick again. I don't think it is. We have got the W7 It's Glow Prime Radiant Primer. I've got this already. It's really nice. It's a very similar to like the Charlotte Tilbury primer that's going around, that everyone's popular at that's popular at the minute, but I would say it's more of a dupe of the Laura Geller Sparkle. I'm going to do a dupe video on it in anyways, because I've owned both of them. It's very nice, but it's very similar to like the Charlotte Tilbury Glowy primer. It's really nice. This is a really nice product. Nice. I already own this though. So we went day number 9, which is this one here. And we have got, let's see, I think a pet lip liner or an eyeliner or something like that again. We have got a King Cole eyeliner, so it's just a black pencil eyeliner, and that is it, yeah, and it is long. Like, that feels like it's longer than, and it just feels longer than a normal one, to be honest, but it's probably because I never really use these sort of products. But yeah, that's what we got in day number 9. So we went day number 10, which is this one here. So I'm gonna guess another lipstick because of the shape and everything like that. Let's have a look, see. It is an ultra cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Gossip. It is definitely like a brownie nude shade, like a real brownie nude shade, and that is it there. Really cute, lovely. So I love the size of these. I think they're so dinky because they actually fit in your actual purse. I really like these. I've said that in a couple of them, but I know a lot of people may be disappointed that they're so small, but I think they're a good enough size to know whether you'll like them. We want day number 11, which is right near day number 10. Guessing a lipstick again. Let's have a see. We have got another lipstick, but it's another ultra cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Free Speech, giving me very Barbie vibes, yeah. And that is it there. Wow, that is pink. Yes. That is a pink shade. So we want day number 12, which is this one here. And let's see what this one is. I think a highlighter maybe. It's wrapped in tissue again. It is the W7 Glow Commotion. I've had this before. I've had a full size. It's just, only thing is, it's a little bit too dark for me. Probably would work with me like now, because I'm a little bit more tan than normally I am. Normally like a ghost. But it is a really nice highlighter. Like a really nice highlighter. So yeah, that's a really good product. That is one that's been in the Advent calendars before. So we want day number 13, which is here. And we have got it. Honolulu. This is like a benefit dupe of Hula. and this is it here, and I own this one as well from previous advent calendars, but the packaging on these actually feels a lot better. I feel like they've changed the packaging, which is good, and these are really good size. Like, I've had mine a while and it's still going, so yeah. So that was day number 13. So we went day number 14, which is here, and I'm guessing another lipstick maybe. We have got another lippy cheek, like a cream one, and this is in Back Chat, and this is the shade here. Really pretty shade that is. Really, really pretty shade. Love the size, like I say, so cute and dinky. We want day number 15 now, which is this square here. This is all gonna go down on us, this square here, and we have got a sponge. Oh, it's squished in. I was having to really force it out. The poor little thing squished to its GLI, and it's even got the W7 logo, so you know they haven't just like put a rando sponge in. It's actually their sponge, which I like. It's got like a flat edge here, but I don't know if that is actually off being in the box, but I like that. You can't beat a good little sponge, to be honest, and I like that it's got the logo, you know, so it's not just like a rando sponge. So that was day number 15. So we went day number 16, which is this one here. This feels light as a feather. Light as a feather. And we have got, it is another lip twister, and this is in just the shade brown, and that is it there. Went day number 17. Are we guessing another blusher? It's like playing Jenga with this. Right, I don't think it is. It is skincare, I think, or lip balm. It is Sweet Dreams with vitamin C, aloe vera and grapeseed oil, strawberry overnight lip mask. Oh, this sounds amazing. Oh, it smells beautiful too. I'm very excited about this. Very, very excited about it. That is probably one of my favourite products so far. Yeah, that was day number 17. So we went day number 18. Can you see it? Right, yeah, 17. We have got maybe a lip scrub. It's the banana powder. The W7 banana powder. It's just a loose powder like that. They haven't put a sifter on it or anything like that. So be very careful if you get that product. And lots of people love that product and all. That was 18. We went 19. I'm guessing maybe a mini lip gloss. We haven't had a lip gloss yet. I think I might be right. You know, we have a glamorous gloss. So itty bitty tiny. I love these glosses. I actually use the ones from my previous years. These feel a little bit bigger, but these are very, very small. Like, that's my thumb. But I love these because they actually fit in my purse. So these are brilliant. That is super cute. That was day number 19. We went day number 20. And I'm guessing the same, like a lip gloss. Yeah. And it is in a so pretty shade. Like with a little bit of shimmer here. I just need to check them to see against if the ones that I've already got. But yeah, I love them because they actually fit in your purse. So that was 19 and 20. So we want day number 21, which is this one here. Feels light as a feather again. We have got another hairband. Just a singular hairband, but like a skinnier one. But it's like a satin, so I'll give it to you. It feels like... I was going to say it feels like one of them ones that doesn't like... put knots in your hairs, but I'm not 100% sure. Love the material of them though. You only get one in that day. I feel like we should have got more personally, but I'm not going to complain because it's 80 odd pounds a day. 22. Let's see. Coming to the end already. Let's have a look. We've got another lip twister. This one's just in the shade pink, and that is it there. Very, very pretty shade. And then we want day number 23. Day before the last day. I'm guessing another mascara maybe, but I think it feels a bit small actually. Ooh, it is a clear lip gloss that I am very excited about. I love a good clear lip gloss and a plumping lip gloss and stuff like that. Does it have a scent? It smells like vanilla. Very, very, very nice. That was day number 23. Last day, day number 24. Let's see what we've got. Oh my god. Day number 24 is a mirror. Have they been knocking around with Revolution? Yeah. It's one of them ones that Revolution put in as well. It doesn't even have a cover on it. Yeah, that I don't like. For our last day as well. Yeah, that let the calendar down. I've had another scrunchie, thank you very much. Yeah, what a bummer for day number 24. I feel like we could have had a little eyeshadow palette or something like that. Is the W7 Advent Calendar unbox, and my thoughts and opinions on it. It was going so well at the last day. Overall though, I still think it's a canny Advent Calendar, and I feel like you will probably get it a little bit cheaper as the next couple of weeks goes on, but even at £19 or £20, it's not so bad. It's basically a makeup advent calendar. I really like the hair bubbles. I know a lot of you probably wouldn't, but I do, and I love the little lipsticks and lip glosses, and I know they get a lot of jip, but overall I like this advent calendar. I would purchase it again knowing the contents. So 80 odd pence a day. The mirror really lets it down in my opinion, but overall though, I definitely think it's one to get, especially for like a teenager or something like that. I mean, my niece carries one of them little handheld mirrors around with her, so maybe it is a younger generation thing. I mean, I'm not the youngest, you know, but overall it was a canny advent calendar, especially at its price point, and I definitely think once it's been out, or like, you know, once it's on other sites, I think it'll probably go for around £15 in my opinion, and then I will say get it because it's like a bargain. But even though at that, I think it's a canny advent calendar. I love that they've put new products in this year. I love that the newer products that they've put in this year are like a little bit bigger and better packaging and things like that, so I'm very happy with that. I feel like they are definitely improving on their advent calendar. So yeah, overall I think it was an alright advent calendar. I've got a Revolution advent calendar coming soon, so if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.